getting the mood started because why? Come on.
Oh, we're going to see Snoopy, baby!
We're gonna go visit Snoopy's ice skating rink and go to the Warm Puppy Cafe today, as well as their gift shop. So I'm so excited.
Let's go.
Oh, is this Snoopy? Okay. Snoopy's Christmas song.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, and hold on. I went matching. Right, we made it.
We're here.
We're actually gonna just stop at the gift shop here. Check out what's inside. It's so cute. Like, imagine waking up in the morning, or even after a bath. It's cozy.
Oh, they have a mirror over here.
Where?
Over here. You'd wear it out?
Yeah. It's so cute.
Okay.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
That's cute. Okay. Alright, let's see. Hopefully it fit my big foot.
There goes Snoopy. Did you wear your Snoopy socks?
I wore my Snoopy socks.
Dang.
Add to cart. Definitely add to cart for $16. And I think I'm gonna take these too for Christmas.
Little Snoopy slips.
Yeah. Pop for Snoopers. Do they fit me? I don't think they do.
Find out.
I don't think they do. I think these are for little kids.
But the back hangs out. Just try them on.
The moment of truth.
Those are good.
Or Santa Snoop. Puffer?
I think you gotta go with these guys.
Puffer Snoop?
Okay, what do we have here?
Found this cute. Oh, it's a thermos. Obviously. I was just trying to figure out how you open it. But it's so cute. It's like the ugly Christmas
Who's on
sweater.
it? Whole gang.
The whole gang. It's cute. It's only $16. And then they have this, the matching teapot. And then, I don't know what's in here or what it's for. But maybe it's just like, yeah. You could put cookies in there.
What?
Oh, we have these cute pillows. I love the ugly sweater. Oh, they have one over here too. There's a Christmas tree. With the big Snoopy. They also have some pages. Oh, those are cute. They're like little onesie ones. Those are cute. They also have this. I really like these red ones.
Does it have a freaking flap?
No.
How are you supposed to use it?
You just take the whole thing off. $1 back in the day. It says the first reprinting of Peanuts comic strips was published by Reinhardt Company in 1952. Originally priced at $1, these series of books ran for decades, mostly after the publisher merged into Holt Reinhardt Winston. The Weekly Reader Book Club sold hardcover editions of these books in schools. Imagine having this fine set of china at your house.
Snoopy Tea Party?
Snoopy Tea Party. Look. That's when Snoopy went to the moon.
The first big on the moon.
First and only. I love this little guy. I want to buy some of this. I want that. I want the little bagel man over there. And the utensil.
Who's back here?
Oh, just me. Just cozying up and watching some Charlie Brown. Turn around. Yeah, thank you.
What's up, everybody?
What's up?
We are at the Snoopy Ice Rink, ready to shred.
Yes, let's walk down here so we can get a good view of the building. I changed into my new Harvey Snoopy bag with my
steal.
puffer Snoopy with my own puffer. So now I'm
Matching
ready.
Snoopy. Oh my god.
I'm ready. Let's look at the fit.
Look at the fit. Ooh.
So yeah, we're ready.
Say it again.
How can we help you? What's wrong?
You have anything else to say?
No, because I need help too. We just took a bunch of pictures out here, and now everyone's gonna start coming into the skating rink. So we better go get our tickets and our skates.
It's go time. Let's get it. Are you nervous?
I'm nervous, but we're gonna get our skates first, and then get some hot chocolate at some point.
I think this is the line.
Is this the line right here? Okay.
Guys, are you?
I'm in between sizes. Is it recommended to size up?
Size down.
Size down 7 then.
They'll help you with your size. I'm just gonna get your
Oh, okay.
$20 total.
Thank you.
Have a good time, guys.
Thank you. Can I do a gang, please?
A little cookie. Oh, looks like you can go. There it is. It's $20, and it comes with nothing. Is that? But I see a cookie on it.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, it's so cute. We're gonna get chocolate. Comes with a peppermint patty. I ordered the peppermint patty hot cocoa, and I'm gonna try it for the very first time. I also got the ice skating cookie. It's $5, so hopefully it's worth it. This is like Disneyland prices, so I actually want to try this first. It's thin for almost $6. Not bad.
How's it taste?
Sweet, like a sugar cookie, but nothing special. But let's try this one to wash down the cookie. That's good.
Back for a second.
My first gulp was pretty much just whipped cream. And they give me a little actual peppermint patty to go with it, which is super sweet. So this is called the peanut butter, it's called the Gang.
Yeah.
And it's like peanut butter base. Is it like a hot chocolate or a coffee?
It's a hot chocolate.
Okay. And it has peanut butter drizzle on it. So let's take a look at that. The cups are so cute. I want to take it home. Hold on, I want a peanut butter drizzle side. Mmm. You're gonna like that.
Is it coffee or hot chocolate?
It's hot chocolate. It's like, it tastes like a peanut butter milkshake, but hot. It's good. I would probably go for this one next time. This is good. But it's like a basic flavor, and this is just like, you can't get this anywhere else.
Yeah.
Here you go, Quinn, before I eat yours up. Here, have some cookie.
I'm gonna break the rules.
Oh, he's dunking it. He's a dunker. I'm gonna record myself doing this at the same time, but that's okay. That's what this is for.
Dunking.
You can have the rest of that though. I don't want to. So this guy that looks like he knows what he's talking about just came by this table and said that this is Charles Schultz's old table. So yeah, it says this cafe was a favorite of Charles Schultz for daily breakfast and lunch. In his honor, this table remains reserved for Mr. Schultz. So here is all of the memorabilia that goes with it. And the local hospital, Santa Rosa Memorial here, I used to do my clinical when I was in nursing school. He actually had a room there when he was sick, and they allowed him to draw his comic strip on the wall, which they still have. They had to demolish that building, but they kept part of the wall that he drew on, so it's still there. That's another fun fact about it here. I have that picture somewhere in my camera roll. It was a long time ago, but look at this. This is like the sweetest memory for him. And look at his ice skating. So we are just finishing our hot chocolate, and we're gonna get to the bathroom before we get out there, just in case, because it is scary out there and it looks cold. But we're about to go ice skating, so we'll see you out there. Alright, so we made it into the ice skating rink. Why can't I talk? I'm just waiting for Quinn to get out of the bathroom, but it is so cute. I'm gonna turn the camera around. It's so Christmassy in here. The lights. I might need some of those buckets these kids are carrying around because I haven't skated in like 4 or 5 years, I think. But that's genius. How cute. I will definitely be on the rails like this. The moment of truth, getting our skates on.
Go to the rail.
Oh my god, it's so icy.
I know.
Okay.
Go to the rail. Just hold on to the rail. Dude, I need to put this down.
We'll be back when we learn how to do this.
Let's go.
Alright, it's intermission time. Right, it's party time!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, we're doing it! Okay, so it looks like we're about to do the hokey pokey. Let's go! I'm trying to get myself out! My trick!
Yeah.
We are all done. I got my boots off.
I'm going to get back to you.
My regular boots on. Woo.
Only fell 3 times.
Yep. And how many times do you think I fell? We gotta make this quick because our battery is gonna die, but we're finished doing the ice skating at Snoopy's ice skating rink, and we had a lot of fun. I didn't fall, but Quinn
Neither did I.
fell. Be honest.
I fell once, twice, 3 times.
Yeah, and I didn't want to skate next to him, but yeah, he
actually
was
ran
making me
into you
so
once.
nervous.
I ran into you.
I was sweating, but
Tried to take you out, but
so how was your experience overall, though?
10 out of 10. The hot chocolate right before the ice. You can't beat it.
I liked everything, going to the gift shop, the hot chocolate. They also have food, which we didn't get because we ate earlier. But maybe next time we'll do that. And I hear in the future they will be doing like a Snoopy show of some sort.
Ooh, should I try out?
Yeah. But I had a lot of fun. I want to come back for the ice skating. My ankles are hurting, but that's okay.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Get out here.
It has 2 affected sides.
Flap your wings.
It's gonna be time for Tylenol. So that was our adventure for the day.
See ya.
Bye.